Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to enable or activate developer options on your Poco C75. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. To activate your developer options, first thing first, open your settings menu. Then go to About Phone, click it. You can find OS version for Poco. In this OS version, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. You are now a developer. Next, we click back. In your settings menu, you can scroll down and you open additional settings, click it. Now you can find developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. Yep, successfully to activate developer options menu. You can see in developer options menu so many hidden settings for your device. You can see and scroll down so many hidden settings. You can check on your phone. Yep, this is transition animation, show layout boundaries, small width or DPI, and so many hidden settings again. But you have to understand before you activate it, because if it's wrong can cause problem for your device like black screen or reset. Okay guys, enjoy settings on your developer mode. If you have finished, you can turn off your developer options. Tap this icon. And now your developer options is disabled. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.